If I own such a house, I would like to stay at home all the time. Home office.
Okay, mas maganda talaga yung ganun, yung home office. Lalo kapag virtual assistant ka, naku, pasok na pasok ka dito sa OBLan talaga.
Kasi si OBLan, di ba, may 3 bedrooms. Yung usually yung isang bedroom doon, ginagawa nilang workplace, study area.
And then, isa pa doon yung tahimik. Yung hindi ka magagambala sa pagtatrabaho mo.